Yeah, I just pulled out of the skate park. You can see the parking lot entrance back there. I just left. And I saw this wineberry bush over here out in the tree line. I'd never noticed them before. I don't think they're quite ripe yet. Usually they're ripe around the 4th of July. But I'm going to take a look. You come with me. Yeah, these are an invasive, but they're tasty, so I don't mind so much. Yeah, a couple of these are ripe. I like these better than blackberries. They got the hollow core like raspberries, but not as distinct taste as raspberries. I'm not sure which one I like better. I really like raspberries, but I come across these more often because usually the only time I see raspberries is somebody planting them on purpose. But these are just everywhere. I mean, they're all back in there. There's walnuts right there, black walnuts. Yeah, it's cool. I didn't know this place was so close to the skate park. I was gonna go check out the place I usually forage them from, but I didn't go by that way today. Yeah, that's about it.